Let's get started with how to download and install the app on your devices. The LifeEar app works with a lot of different devices, ranging from the Apple iPhone to your Android smartphones. But in this case, I think it's easiest if I use my old iPad mini, because that's easier to see for you guys. So let's get started. I think the easiest way to download and install the app is to open up a browser and go to the LifeEar.com website. So let's do that. I'm opening up the browser. As you can see, LifeEar.com, LifeEar.com. That's one of my favorite web pages, so I'm already there on the home page. So what do I do next? I see two main buttons. I see a button called Download on the App Store with a big Apple logo. That's the button you should press if you have an iPhone or an iPad. And then below there's the button Get it from the Google Play Store. That's the button you should press if you have an Android phone, like a Samsung or whatever you may have. So I'm going to press the Download the app from the App Store button. So I've pressed that, and then it opens up directly in the App Store on the app that I will want to download. And then there's this button which is called Get. So I press the button Get, and I press the button Install. And then, well, once the internet kicks in my house, it will start downloading the app, and you will be able to start using the LifeEar app. So as you can see, it's currently loading and downloading and installing the app. And once it's done, it should change the button into the Open button. So let's press Open once it's done. There we go, Open. And now we have the app installed and it's ready for the next video.